everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'll share my love for Italian food, so I'm going to make pesto sauce today. It's pretty simple and easy. For this recipe, we need approximately 60 grams of basil or 3 handfuls of basil, 50 grams of roasted pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 25 grams of Parmesan, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt to taste, and approximately juice of 1 lime. This is such a quick and simple recipe that all I need to do now is to add all the ingredients in my blending jar. So first I'm going to pop in all the basil. There we go. The basil is all down there. I don't want to miss the last leaf. There we go. Now I'm going to add all the pine nuts, the garlic cloves, Parmesan, olive oil, I'm making sure I put all the last drop in. There we go. The lime juice and the salt. Now all I need to do is turn on the blender. It's easy as this. So nothing can get more simpler and easier than making your own pesto sauce. Now I'm going to pour the pesto in my bowl and show you how wonderful it looks. You can add this pesto to your pasta, salads, and pizza. I love it on top of bruschetta. I take a slice of bread, toast it with butter, and then add chopped onion and tomatoes, and then drizzle a little bit of pesto sauce on top, and it tastes amazing. That's it for this week. If you like my recipes, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.